everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Oregon Zan, and I'm so glad you're here. It has been freezing cold at my house, and Jim and I unfortunately both came down with COVID, so we've been pretty miserable and bored, and so I just thought, you know, it's time to do some kind of a fun craft. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I wanted to make something cute for to add to my decorations. So I did what I love to do best, and I made a diorama of a front porch, a Valentine's Day decorated front porch, and I thought I would share with you how I did it. So let's get started. So some of the things I got from Hobby Lobby, including this front door. I thought this little wooden front door was so cute. I also got the wooden picture that it's going to be laid in, the diorama box, and I did get some things at Craft Warehouse as well, but the first thing I'm going to do is just start painting this door pink. I'm just going to do pink on the edges, on the trim. I like the natural wood of the door itself, so I'm just going to leave that the way it is. The whitewashed look of this, but I wanted to add some paper instead to kind of make it look like the front of a house. You know, this is like a super light pink with little spots, and it looks a little bit like stucco. So I thought I would just get some of that paper and add it to the front. But first I'm getting a little bit of butcher paper, and I'm going to use it as a template so that I can cut out just the right amount. Then I'm going to cut out a little bit of that same butcher paper and put it on the back of the door. These are little wooden craft pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint them and make them little planters in the front of the house here. This was a little wooden shutter that I got from Hobby Lobby. I was going to have a window in this diorama, but there wasn't room for one. So I'm going to use one of the panels, turn it over, and make it a little decorative sign on the front of the house. This is a cute little porch light that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's for a dollhouse, and it actually had a little wire so that it would turn on, but I don't have that kind of a setup on this thing, so I just took the wire off and glued it up by the front door, and I think it looks really cute. I got this sheet of stickers from Craft Warehouse, and I really like it. It's the stickers are pretty thick, kind of like cardstock, so I really like them, and I'm hoping to be able to find different places to place the stickers on the front of this diorama. Perfect long strip to use as like the awning on the front, so I really loved how that turned out, and I had a little leftover to use someplace else, as you will see. So I have a little bit of this floral foam, and I just wanted to snip off a little bit and stick it down into those little planters so that I could put some plants in there and it has something to, adhere to in there. These darling little paper flowers from Craft Warehouse. So I'm going to hot glue them to the plant here, make it look kind of like a flowering bush, I guess. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this fun Valentine's Day diorama. It was so much fun to do, and I think it turned out really cute. I love how it looks on my entry table. So yeah, thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And until next time, bye for now.